You will draw this nonsense on your face and you will now start working like, and I don't draw my eyebrow. As how now? Auntie, has how now? What is this? What is this? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Precious, aka Precious the Influencer. This platform is all about skincare and makeup, so I am dropping videos every Friday. First of all, you have to clean that nonsense on your face. After you have cleaned that thing off your face, the next thing you are going to do is to take your brush and brush out your eyebrows, just the way I'm doing it. This is it. So the next thing, you are going to use your eyebrow gel. You are going to use your eyebrow gel. If you do not have a eyebrow gel, you can also use your hair gel, the one you use to clip your baby hairs. Then you flatten your eyebrow. So you flatten your eyebrow with it. Do you see how I'm doing it? You see? Then this time, you see, you slick it down. And you repeat the same step with the other side. After you have done the other side, the next thing you are going to do is use your powder palette. Take off this shine, like this oil. Take off that oil. You see those oil that was there? There is no more oil, so that is what we need the powder for. You press it. So the next thing, you will take your pencil, and some of you will not take, you see how this pencil is very, very dull? Some of you will not take and start drawing. As how now, sister? How's how? Just the way it is. No, you have to sharpen it, and it has to be very, very sharpened. So did you see how sharpened this is? What you are not going to do is, start from here. You see, and this is how you are going to be holding your pen. You are going to hold your high pen just the way I'm holding it. Some of you will go and hold it like you want to start writing. No, hold from the bottom. You see, you hold like this, and you start from here. So when you get here, you take it down. You see? Then you also start from here. This time you are following your line, like where the hairs start from. You take down the same way. And when you get to where this arc start from the down, you also take it down, just the way I am doing it. Focus. You see? You see? And you are done. Did you see how this is coming out? Did you see how it's coming out? So the next thing you are going to do is to fill it up. Okay? Is to fill it up. You will start filling it up like just the way I'm doing it. Just wash. A tiny stroke line will do just better. Then when you get to the end, you can actually draw it just the way I'm doing it. You see? Do you see how the starting is giving this natural eyebrow line? Did you see how it's giving? This is how yours is supposed to also come out. Did you see that? So the next thing that I'm going to do is to go and draw the other side and come back. You will take your brush, then you just brush it out to give you that natural eyebrow line. See the way I'm brushing it? Just brush it out. It's giving that natural eyebrow. So the next thing is to conceal the edges. Okay, you are going to conceal with your concealer. So I'm using this one from F. I like it to be a little bit lighter than your actual foundation shade. So this is what you are going to do. You start from here. You see? And you take it forward. After concealing the down of your eyebrow, you will take a fluffy brush, just tiny brush, and smoothing it out, just the way I'm doing it. Can you see the difference between this and this? Then you also do this side as well. We are done concealing the down, so we have to conceal the up as well, because we can't just leave it the way it is because it's very, very rough. This time you are going to go with a darker shade of your concealer to conceal this side. So just your foundation shade. So I'm using my foundation because I do not have a darker shade of concealer. So I will be using my foundation shade to do it. You see? Clean those excess. We did not need those excess this thing, and you conceal. Did you see that? Did you see the difference between this and this? Let's conceal this. Blend it out. Just the way I'm doing it. And you are done with your eyebrow. Did you see how it came out? This is how to do your eyebrow as a beginner. Learn how to conceal and learn how to maintain the eyebrow when concealing it. And this is the final look of the eyebrow as a beginner. It's very easy and it is not that hard. So with this, when you practice and it will come to life. So this is it for a beginner, and that is it for today's video. Do not forget to like, share, and on your notification button so that anytime I post, you will be the first to be notified.